Making history on Tuesday, the Pacific island of Fiji has taken on the presidency of the Group of 77 at the official handover ceremony at the United Nations, where Algeria passed on the gavel to the Republic of Fiji.
Fiji is committed to supporting the G-77's efforts to preserve the spirit of the UN Charter and to make the UN a more effective forum for confronting and resolving the challenges developing nations face in today's world.
We have full confidence that our collective effort and perseverance under the leadership of Fiji will promote the agenda and priorities of developing countries in order to ensure a sustained economic and social development of our countries and populations.
Fiji's Prime Minister Bainimarama underscored that advancing the global economic agenda through multilateral processes and negotiations is the only way to make progress on G77 development objectives, noting that South-South cooperation remains Fiji's primary focus.
Today, Fiji assumes the important responsibility of leading the group. Prime Minister Bainimarama, I encourage you to build on the efforts of your predecessors in fostering cooperation, both within the G77 and China and with other partners. You can count on the full cooperation of the United Nations Secretariat.
This is also the very first time that a Pacific Island nation is having this opportunity. I think we should all really work very closely and help Fiji in what I'm sure is going to end up as a year of demonstrating that small nations and small countries are very much capable.
Starting with 77 members, the Group of 77 was founded in 1964 and now consists of 132 members, including China, established to collectively boost the role and influence of its developing countries and their economies at the level of the United Nations and throughout the global arena. In line with the priorities of the UN Secretary General as well as the President of the 67th session of the United Nations General Assembly, the Prime Minister of Fiji has also asserted his commitments to the achievement of the Millennium Development Goals as well as boosting efforts for the framework of the Sustainable Development Goals. I'm Afaf Kanja for South-South News here at the United Nations, ECOSOC.